This video focuses Introduction to Python Map Filter and Reduce by asking ChatGPT Introduction to Python Map Filter and Reduce. With examples and code explanations, we can get the basic knowledge of Python Map Filter and Reduce. Python's Map Filter and Reduce are functional programming tools that operate on iterables like lists, tuples, etc. They allow for elegant and concise transformations of data. Here's a breakdown of each, along with examples and explanations. Let's explore function 1. Map. Map applies a given function to all the items in an input list, or any iterable, and returns a map object which is iterable. The syntax is map function, iterable, function, a function that is applied to every item of the iterable, an iterable like a list, tuple, etc. Now, let us explore the following example. In this case, we define a function to square a number. Alternatively, you can use a lambda function for brevity. Apply the square function to all numbers. The final output result we get is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. Next, let's explore function 2. Filter. Filters the items of an iterable based on a function that returns either true or false. It returns an iterable containing only those items for which the function returns true. The syntax is filter, function, iterable, function, a function that returns true or false for each item. Iterable, an iterable like a list, tuple, etc. Now, let us explore the following example. In this case, we define a function to check if a number is even. Alternatively, you can use a lambda function for brevity. The final output result we get is 2, 4, 6. Next, let's explore function 3. Reduce. Reduce is used to apply a function to the items of an iterable cumulatively, from left to right, so as to reduce the iterable to a single value. Unlike map and filter, reduce is not a built-in function. It is part of the functors module. The syntax is from functors import reduce. Reduce, function, iterable, initializer, function, a function of two arguments that is applied cumulatively to the items of the iterable. Iterable, an iterable like a list, tuple, etc. Initializer, optional, a starting value for the reduction. Now, let us explore the following example. In this case, we define a function to multiply two numbers. Alternatively, you can use a lambda function for brevity. The final output result we get is 24. Finally, let's take another look at the feature of map filter and reduce. Map transforms an iterable by applying a function to each item. Filter extracts items from an iterable based on a function that returns true or false. Reduce reduces an iterable to a single cumulative result by applying a function to the items.